Hey travel enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the dazzling city of Dubai, a place where dreams become reality. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Dubai has something extraordinary to offer. Let's explore the must-see attractions that will make Dubai a city that truly has something for everyone. Here's a rundown of 10 must-see places. Burj Khalifa. As the world's tallest building, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The Dubai Mall, a massive shopping and entertainment complex, home to the Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo. Palm Jumeirah, an iconic man-made island shaped like a palm tree, featuring luxurious resorts and residences. Dubai Marina, a vibrant waterfront district with stunning skyscrapers, restaurants, and cafes. Dubai Frame, a unique architectural landmark that provides views of both old and new Dubai. Dubai Miracle Garden, a stunning floral display with millions of flowers arranged in intricate designs. Global Village, a multicultural theme park offering entertainment, shopping, and dining from around the world. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, located in the Dubai Mall. This is a very impressive display of sea life. Burj Al Arab, a luxurious hotel that is an icon of Dubai, known for its distinctive sail-shaped design. Dubai Desert Safari, an adventurous experience that includes dune bashing, camel riding, and traditional entertainment. These locations provide a great variety of experiences, from modern marvels to cultural experiences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for watching.